Hello everybody. We all know that major thing in everybody's Scratch projects, buttons. Though we should have good buttons which are appealing and interactive. In good buttons you have neat text which is professional and easy to read. You can also have round corners which is up to you. Then you have contrasting colors between the background of your button and the text of your button so that your text is easy to read. Here we have contrasting colors so I can easily see the word play. Though here the colors are so similar, it's very hard to see the word play here. Then you can also have possible images like the image I added here. In coding, you should have interactions when your button is clicked or touched. As you can see here, we have a button, and when we touch it, it grows bigger. And when we put our cursor off, it gets smaller. And when we click it, we hear a sound. I'm gonna go into the reshape, and I'm gonna click 2 points next to this main point here. Now I'm going to click on this point and click backspace. Then I just have to do that for all of them. This is very simple though also very tricky because you want all of your corners to be equal. So then once you've done this, you can just move your points here and there. So as you can see, this is not very neat. And for all those lazy people out there like me, there's an even easier way to do it. Just grab a new sprite and search up button. Then you just grab one of the buttons here. You can remove the first label, and Scratch team has already figured out how to make the perfect edges. So now you just have to fix the color and size. You can thank me later. So I'm going to choose the text and I'm going to write something like play. For you, your text color might be different, though make sure you choose a contrastable color. So over here, I think it's better that you choose white over black. Then you have to make it bigger. So maybe before that, you should even choose your font. As I said before, it's better that you choose professional fonts for good buttons. So you probably don't want things like handwriting, marker, curly, or pixel. You probably want to choose among others. Then you should centralize both your button and your text. So now it's centralized. The image. Then let's shrink this so that our image can fit and recenturize it. Then using the arrow keys, move it to one side. Probably better you move it to the left side. Then we have to upload our image. So when you upload your image, it's probably going to come something like this. So first convert it so that's not a bitmap. Then zoom out. Then just copy this here or using Control C and then just paste it. Then you can zoom in again, shrinking it and bringing it up. Now I prefer my text to be bigger, so I'm just going to shrink this so that both things can fit. And I probably also want to line this in the center and then move it and put this in the center and then move it. You can redo that again.